There's a chance we may be seeing the end of fireworks as air quality and wildfires are becoming a much bigger concern. Washington State already had 6 wildfires this week, started by fireworks. Some cities and states like Colorado, California, and Florida have already tried out drone shows for the 4th of July. They lit up in red, white, and blue, and the choreographed machines turned into Liberty Bells, American flags, and different phrases. But not everyone is impressed. Some cities already switched back to real fireworks because viewers just weren't as interested. And then there are places like New York City that did both. Here you can see the Statue of Liberty made entirely out of drones. And whether or not we decide to ditch or keep fireworks, I learned last night that my dog thoroughly enjoys both, so I don't mind.